Good morning, everybody. I am here to show you a project that I completed. Scrapdaworld on YouTube does a collab every month, and this is number 7. And we're making a goodie box, or a box that you can put like paper clips and household items and that kind of stuff in, and so that you had a place to put it on your desk. And I just wanted to share what I made. Turn it around so that everybody can see. I used Prima's what is this, Rose, shoot, okay, it's a Prima's Rose paper, and it's got another part of a name to it, but I can't think of it right now. Anyway, all the flowers and everything on here are from Prima, and they are from the collection. And it says sweet, and I made it kind of shabby chic. I wanted to put lace around it, but then I got to thinking, if I'm going to set it on my desk, I don't want all that lace hanging around there, because in my house where I live, everything is dusty, even if you dust all the time. So Wyoming, part of Wyoming that I live in is kind of like that quite a bit. Anyway, so I had a button, and I put a button here just for decorations for like the closure part, and I didn't want the little holes to show, so I used this little rose that I got off of eBay to cover up the buttons and put it in there. And I did some distressing on the edge, put the word sweet here, and then when you open it, I put a bow here to just to make it pretty, and then I used ribbon to close it with. And on the inside, I used some more of the Prima paper out of that collection. I didn't do the inside of my boxes to make them pretty, because I figured I'm just going to stick, different household things. Paper clips, rubber bands, and that kind of stuff in there. So I decided not to decorate in here. But anyways, on my box, I did cover it on all 4 sides like that. And I spent quite a bit of time trying to decide if I needed more in my clusters of flowers, and I decided no, because that would be too much. Less is more, as we all know as crafters. So anyway, that is my box, and I just wanted to share it. And again, it's Scrapdaworld's thing that she does every month. It's number 7, and so far I have done all 7, and I've had a really good time. Thank you so much, Tamika. It gives me really cool ideas, and I learn a lot from watching your videos. Okay, anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you to all my subs for being here. If you're a new sub, thank you for adding me to your adding my channel to your likes. And if you could, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so that I can get more subscribers. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great day, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.